Biyahe kasama si DJ Lala, aarangkada na.
Well, anyway, my love, eto na po ang kwento na pinadala sa atin sa ating Facebook page, DJ Lala. Basahin na natin ang kwento ngayong gabi, ang biyahe ng buhay ni Rain. Hi DJ Lala, itago mo na lang ako sa pangalang Rain. Sumulat ako kasi yung case ko ngayon, ang nagloko sa akin ay ang tinuring kong best friend for 10 long years. And ang nagawa niyang agawin sa akin ay ang pinakamamahal kong lalaki. This time, I'm not sure kung mapapatawad ko pa siya sa ginawa niya sa akin. Sinilaw niya kasi ng pera ang lalaki na minsan kong pinaglaanan ng oras, pagmamahal, at atensyon. Mas matimbang sana ang pagiging magkaibigan namin at mag-best friend. Kaso, ang hirap ibalik nung tiwala ko sa kanya. Payuhan mo naman ako, DJ Lala. Salamat po and good night. My love, do not put any pressure on yourself to forgive these people. I want you to understand, sa lahat po ng nagawa ng kasalanan, sa lahat po ng nagawa ng something wrong, sa lahat po ng nagawa ng pagkakamali ng ibang tao, na hindi aksidente. Yung pagkakamaling yun was intentional. That mistake was something na napag-isipan nila. Kumbaga hindi yun by accident, hindi siya nangyari ng all of a sudden. Alam mong nangyari siya ng gradually. A period of time, continuous na pagkakamali. Ibig sabihin, my love, aware sila, conscious sila that they are creating that mistake and still, they chose to create those mistakes. I want you not to put any pressure on yourself para patawarin sila. I'm not saying na mag-hold ka ng grudge, na magkimkim ka ng galit. I'm not advising you to do that. I just don't want you to put any pressure sa sarili mo na ay kailangan kong magpatawad kasi sabi nila na ang pagpapatawad ang magpapalaya sa akin. Ay kailangan ko siyang patawarin kasi sabi nila kung ang Diyos nga daw nagpapatawad, bakit ang tao ay hindi. My love, I don't want you to put that pressure on yourself. You forgive when you are ready to forgive. You don't owe any of them forgiveness. They owe you an apology, pero that doesn't mean you have to return it by forgiving them. That doesn't mean that now you owe them. Ikaw naman ang may utang sa kanila ng kapatawaran. It doesn't work like that. So kung hindi mo sila feel kausapin, kung feeling mo ngayon hindi mo siya mapatawad, that's okay. That's fine. That's perfectly understandable. And if your best friend for 10 years couldn't even understand that, then something is really wrong with her. May mali talaga sa kanya. At sa loob ng 10 taon na yun, yes, she had been nothing but your confidant, pero I'm so sorry, she is not meant to be a part of your life in the future. Kung hindi niya maiintindihan that, it will take you a long time para mapatawad siya. Nagets mo ko, my love? Kung galit ka, kung may nasasabi ka ngayong hindi maganda sa kanya, kung hindi mo feel na kausapin siya, ayaw mo i-return yung call, ayaw mo i-return yung chat, ayaw mo siyang batiin sa birthday niya, nung nagkasalubong kayo, hindi mo na feel, napansinin siya, ini-invite ka niya for dinner, for a talk, and you are saying constantly, no, that's okay. Kailangan niyo yun intindihin. Kasi my love, this is the consequence ng pinili niyang pagkakamali. You don't even have to do anything, Rain, but concentrate on yourself. On how you can move on, how can you regain yung paningin mo sa sarili mo, how can you regain yung paniniwala mo of your self-worth. That's all you have to focus on. Nothing else. Don't even mind what they feel. Kasi when they're doing their thing, nung ginagawa nila yung kamalian nila, nung ginagawa nila yung kasalanan nila, nung nagiging marupok sila, they weren't thinking of yours. Hindi nila iniisip kung ano yung magiging repercussions ng actions nila sa'yo. So you don't have to do it for them. Naiintindihan mo ko, my love? Go about it at your own pace. Ngayon, kung hindi sila makakapaghintay, kung ang magiging version sa storya nila ay hindi ka marunong magpatawad, matigas yung puso mo, syempre, kwento nila yun eh. 'Di ba? Sila bida dun eh. So, hayaan mo sila maging bida sa kwento nila. Hayaan nilang pagpatong-patungin nila yung mga kasalanan nila. That's on them. That's never gonna be on you. Naintindihan mo ko? Siguro one day when you are ready to talk to that person, go ahead. Sabihin mo sa kanya lahat ng gusto mong sabihin. Just because you wanna unload it. Just because you want to free yourself from the things na hindi mo nasabi. Kasi sometimes yan lang naman yung nakakapagpasama ng loob natin eh, di ba? We hate this person, we hated whatever it is na ginawa niya sa atin. And we had no choice, no option na ilabas yung sama ng loob na yon. And that's why it's so heavy on us. That's why ang bigat-bigat ng loob natin kasi wala tayong chance ang sabihin sa kanila na this is how painful I went through because of what you did to me. This is how painful I feel dahil sa ginawa niyo sa akin. Sometimes that's all you need to do eh, unload. Pero that doesn't mean you have to forgive them. Kung darating man yung pagkakataon na makakalimutan mo na yung ginawa nila, then good for you. Good for you. Kung dumating yung araw na yon and still you don't feel like being friends with them again, they should never take it against you. Naintindihan mo ko, Rain? In a nutshell, my love, you don't even have to do anything. Just concentrate on your own happiness. Saan ka ba makakakuha ng kasiyahan? Will traveling be good for you? Will going out with some other set of friends make you happy? Ano bang makakapagpasaya sa'yo? Ang pag-check-in ba sa mga resort will make you feel good? Calming yourself down with the help of nature? Yan ba yung makakapagpasaya sa'yo? Makakapagpaginhawa ng pakiramdam mo? Shopping? Family outing? Do it. Do not even think about them any day. Habang nasa grieving process ka, habang nasa calming process ka, habang you are trying to put yourself back together after nung ginawa nila sa'yo. You don't even have to think kung ano yung schedule mo na lalapat sa schedule nila so they can talk to you. They adjust to whenever you are ready, not the other way around. If they want to say sorry, they have to wait until you are willing to hear them say sorry. Naintindihan mo ko, Rain? I'm not saying magpayami ka. I'm not saying magpahabol ka. I'm not saying magpa-importante ka, pahirapan mo sila. I'm not saying all those. All I'm saying is, I want you to do it when you're ready. Kapag handa ka na. Kapag okay ka na. Huwag mong i-adjust yung sarili mo to make them feel good about themselves. Kasi they were never meant to feel good about it. Kung nagsisisi sila, kung inuusig sila ng konsensya nila, then that's their problem, not yours. You listen to them, you accept them, you give them an option to see you, to talk to you whenever you are ready. Now, kung hindi man sila mag-alok ng alinman sa mga yon, yung talagang panindigan na lang nila yung kasamaan, kagaspangan ng ugali nila, again, that's on them, not on you. Do not expect anything from these people. Why? Kasi hindi mo nga in-expect na gagawin nila to sa iyo eh. Mag-e-expect ka pa ba ng something more than that? 'Di ba? Mag-e-expect ka pa ba ng apology? Mag-accept ka pa ba na magiging human sila enough, friends sila enough, decent sila enough to do everything to apologize to you? Do not expect anything from them. Maliit ang utak ng mga taong nakikipaglaro sa apoy pagdating sa pag-ibig. Maliit ang utak ng mga taong nananaksak ng likod ng sarili niyang kaibigan. Maliit ang utak ng mga taong nang aagaw ng mahal ng may mahal. They will never comprehend They will never ever understand. Wala silang kapasidad na i-decipher ang idea, ang beauty, ang value ng forgiveness and apology. Kasi wala sila nun. Wala silang kapasidad to do that. Ang kaya lang ng mga maliliit nilang utak ay manloko ng tao. And that's it. Naintindihan mo ako, my love? So right now, focus on nothing else but yourself. What you want, what will make you happy. What will make you a stronger person. Stronger than you are today. That's all you have to think about. The rest, let it unfold when you're ready. Claro? Claro.